pull it back and get you some more cheese.
Do this. Need some jokers.
Yo, mama, who's hottest? Joker!
I'm gonna go with who's hottest for 400.
Run that video.
Now, I'm ready to, confess the shit I haven't even done. Yeah, I did it.
Woo! Wanda's on the hot seat, but not as hot as if she was sitting in this place, where the hottest air temperature was ever recorded on Earth, 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Where am I talking about? Nairobi, Kenya? Quito, Ecuador? Or Death Valley, California?
Man, I don't know how anybody's supposed to know this, so I'm gonna go with Death Valley.
Death beyond you, because death is the answer.